Good morning, students.
In the topic of level of management, we have completed top level and middle level management. Today I'll explain bottom level management. Bottom level of management, supervisors, jobbers, foremen are included at this level of management. Those who are not included in top level or middle level management but they are managing some work or some part of firm, they are included in bottom level of management, like supervisors, jobbers, foremen. Yes, they are managing bottom level. They are looking towards factories and workers and their work. This level is also known as bottom level or supervisor's level. This might be asked in 1 mark that what is the other name of bottom level management. So as supervisors are included in this level is known as supervisor's level. Decisions and policies decided by top level management are actually implemented by this level. Now, as we have learned that top level management and middle level management are formulating policies. Yes, they are forming some rules, regulations. So actually all work, whatever policies they are framing, actually implemented by this level of management. So therefore this level is also known as functional or operational level of management. This is also other name of bottom level management. Supervisors working at this level are representative of management. This is very much important. Those who are included in this level are not actually managers. They are not the managers. They are representative of management. As it is not possible that top level management or departmental heads from middle level management will continuously observe the work of workers. Yes, so they have appointed their representatives at this level. Management functions are performed less while administrative work is more. As they are not managers, they are representative of management and actual implementation work is done by this level. So here management functions are performed less while administrative work is more. Now we will study the functions of bottom level of management. First, to supervise the functions of employees. Those who are working at bottom level management, supervisors, jobbers and foremen will supervise the functions of employees and workers. Yes? So this is the first function of bottom level management. Second, to see that there remain discipline among employees and their morale is boosted. They will see that how the discipline is to be maintained. Yes, as more workers and employees are working under this level, so they have to maintain discipline and they have to make efforts so that morale of employees and workers will be boosted. Yes, so this is also function of bottom level management. Then third, to plan routine work of the department. At bottom level management, they will not plan for some long term goal or they will not plan for future long term objective. Yes, so they will plan their routine work. Yes, whatever the task allotted from top level or middle level management, they will plan that how they will finish in a day. Yes, so this way they will plan their routine work. Then fourth, to perform functions related to employees like transfer, promotion, training, etc. They will see that is it required to transfer any employee from one area of work to the other area, yes, or other department. They will see. Same as promotion and training. If they are finding that some workers need training, some employees need training, so they will arrange trainings for them. Then fifth, to get instructions, orders and program from the departmental officers to carry out the departmental functions. Now here departmental officers, those who are part of middle level management, yes, they are included in middle level management. So whatever the instructions and orders they are giving to bottom level management, they have to follow. Yes, whatever the functions, whatever the work they are allotting, bottom level management will implement it. Then sixth, to perform the functions like the layout, repairing and maintenance of machinery. As bottom level management is closed to workers and factory department, the representative of management will look towards the layout, repairing and maintenance of machinery. As higher authorities will not visit the factory and ask or see that what is required or machines are working or not. Those who are actually working, dealing with factory, they can see. So here it is the function of bottom level management about the layout, repairing, maintenance of machinery. Then seventh, to make arrangement for necessary equipments, raw materials, etc. for the workers. As we know that bottom level management is dealing with factory department workers, yes, or employees, those who are working at lower level, yes, so they are dealing with them, so they are aware that what is requisites of workers. Yes, if there is no raw material or no equipments, they cannot work. Yes, so they will fulfill the demands of workers, they will arrange equipments and raw material whatever workers require. Then eighth, to solve the genuine problems of workers. As I said, this level is dealing with factory department. Yes, they are dealing with workers, so whatever problems arise from workers, who will sort out, who will find the solution? This level. Yes, so bottom level management will solve the genuine problems of workers. In case any serious problem arise or any complex situation problem arise, they can ask middle level management or they can forward to top level management. But normal problems or simple problems they can solve at this level. Then ninth, to implement decisions and policies decided by top level management. As we have learned that this level is for implementation work. Yes, so whatever the policies, plans framed from top level management or middle level management, who will implement? This level. Yes, so implementation work belongs to this level of management. Then 10th, to forward reports of various activities taking place at bottom level, suggestions and complaints of employees to the middle level of management. Whatever the work task allotted from middle level management, bottom level management is implementing. Yes, they are completing the task, they are performing such activities, and after performing they have to present report to middle level management. As they are accountable, they are answerable to middle level management, so they will present the report of their activities. If any suggestions or complaints are from workers or employees, they have to forward to middle level management, as they are the link between middle level management and workers, those who are working under supervisors, jobbers and foremen. Yes, so if they are getting any suggestions or complaints, they have to forward. Yes, they have to forward to middle level management. Though this is the lower level of management, still it is very much important. Successful performance by this level leads to achievement of business objectives, which provides support to the entire business. Top level management and middle level management, they are working at their own level. They are implementing policies, they are making plans, and who is implementing all those plans? Bottom level management. So if they are performing their task successfully, firm can achieve objective. Yes, business objectives will be achieved, and that will support the entire business. Yes, so this way this level is very much important. So this is all about bottom level management and its functions. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Write this topic in your notebook and send me photos by evening.